In this part I want to talk about the render farm or cloud rendering. What is the advantages of the cloud rendering and why these days is much more popular? One is that it is much faster than your own computer because it's network of the several high-speed computers. So you are just passing your work to the another powerful computers and they will render for you. They will take care of the rendering. And the second is that your own computer will not be busy for rendering and you can continue using your computer. Imagine if you are rendering an animation, it will take several days to finish the rendering, or even just a very high quality still images may take 1 or 2 hours to render. So especially if you are doing the commercial work, it is much better to just register for one cloud rendering online and just let them take care of everything. The one that I'm using now is xrender. I used several other cloud rendering before, but xrender is much more convenient than the other I have ever used. So first is that same as any other render cloud, you need to register. So you just come here to register, very simple registration, just name, username and the password and sign up. And then after everything finish, you need to back here and download the software. Download their softwares. They explain how the software is working, but it is very simple. You don't really need to study so much. Download it and install it. After installation, you need to open your 3D Max again. If it was open, just close and reopen it. You will notice a new menu in your menu bar. Xrender. It is not complex at all. It just have a one option, submit rendering. So you do all your render setup in here, coming to the xrender and submit rendering. Just open it. It will, everything is right. If it didn't choose the camera, you can add the camera and submit the task. It will automatically open your xrender software which we already download and install it. Okay, here it gave me one error. This is one thing that you must do before doing the rendering with xrender. Make sure that your file is saved. If you are using the frame buffer, if the frame buffer in here is enabled, then you must save your work in this part. Separate render layer, I have already saved it with the TGA. Give it a name. If you are not using the frame buffer, make sure you are saving your work in the command tab. So here I already selected and submitted. Again, success. Back to the xrender, and you do not need to do anything else. It will take care of everything. It will upload, start to rendering, and after finish it will just give you the message that everything is already done. Rendering complete, and it start transporting, downloading the final image on the computer. You can just go to the local files. It will open the last task output and wait until this finish complete.